FS ONU supports multiple configuration templates based on bandwidth allocation, including T-CONT, virtual port, their binding, and flow mapping. These are configured separately but closely related. The VLAN template is often shared across them. First, enter the local IP address and log into the OLT command line interface. Then switch to administrator mode. Set the profile name to test1. Choose type 2 as the configuration type. Set the committed bandwidth to 10,240 kilobits per second and click apply. Set the profile name to test2. Choose ports 1 to 8 according to your service requirements. Create a new profile named test3 and edit it. For the virtual port, enter test2 based on the previous configuration. For T-CONT, enter test1 and click apply. Bind the T-CONT template to the virtual port template to complete the configuration. Set the profile name to 4. Choose the service type, such as ETH URI Uni, and configure based on your needs, then click apply. The flow mapping template is now configured. Select the pre-configured flow mapping template and TV binding profile. Click Apply, and the ONU port configuration is complete.